Hey, welcome back to another Type 5 how-to. I'm out here enjoying my brother's pool today, but because it's new and it's got a fiberglass surface, we found that the stairs are actually pretty slick. So we want to make it a nice, safe process to get in and out of this pool. So I picked up some anti-slip grip tape that you can actually install underwater. So let me show you the process of how we're installing it, and then I'll tell you what I think afterwards. So to install this tape, you want to first wipe off the surface of each of these steps to get rid of any dirt or grime that might currently be there, and then make sure that you've cut out the strips ahead of time. I like to round off the corners of each of these strips because we found that it will help keep that tape from peeling up on the edges. And then you'll want to finish off the process by pressing down the tape really well to make sure it adheres good to the pool surface. And that's it. These steps turned out great. The slip tape was really easy to cut up and install, and it makes it a whole lot easier to get in and out of the pool without worrying about slipping and injuring ourselves. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to add something like this to your pool to help you out. Feel free to give this video a like if you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips in the future. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully I'll see you all on the next one.